fucking clown. Ah! There's one too many clowns on this ride.
Welcome to the Halloween ride 2018 Tampa. Alright, I'm Justin Booth, just so you know, it's to the T. I'll post a picture of him right here. Alright, we gotta go. Gotta meet up with people.
Can't see anything with his hair.
It gets better and better.
The gift that keeps giving. Alright guys, welcome to the Tampa Grom Squad Halloween group ride. Don't pay attention to these guys, they're not dressed up. We got Jeff and Hollis from Palm Beach, myself, Justin Booth here, and we're gonna have a little Halloween trick-or-treat ride. Should be fun. What's up? Real riders.
Wait, she's supposed to be Booth?
Yeah.
I didn't want to like get that wrong. That's hilarious.
The hair is the weirdest part, dude.
Yeah.
What, man? Hey, look, got my mini fake. Don't touch her.
That shirt on would have been the best.
Don't
the fake ones come with glue?
I'm the better looking one, right?
I wish you would have told me because I would have wore the same outfit though.
I thought about it and I was like, I didn't know everything was gonna come in, so I didn't know what was gonna happen. But then like shit started showing up like last minute. Like this backpack came in yesterday night. Yeah, and then I don't know. I was just like, I kind of just wanted to surprise you.
Joggers are good, right?
These joggers are amazing. I feel great. That's Jay Booth right there. That's who I am for Halloween. So the mini pig thing, that's an inside joke. He keeps talking about getting a mini pig. Where'd it go? There's a whole bunch of inside jokes here. People outside Tampa probably don't get, but if you ever run into this guy, it'll all make sense one day. Back there! What are you?
Huh?
What are you?
I'm a ninja.
That's it?
From Naruto.
From what?
Naruto, the show.
Naruto?
Naruto. I'll send you a statue.
Hey, 17-year-olds, tell me what he is.
I told you what I am.
I know, but I don't know what you're saying. I can't hear you in the helmet. He's got a concealed weapon there.
Sorry like this.
Whatever that is, that's what he is. Oh, the chicken can do stand-ups too. It's pretty amazing he can do wheelies with his head cut off like that. Let everybody go by. Trevor, construction worker. As you can see, pretty big site. There's probably at least 50 bikes here. Halloween ride. Such beautiful weather for it too. He asked if you're supposed to be Andy from Toy Story.
Oh.
Just say yes.
I'm a farmer, bro. I'm supposed to say I had the overalls.
Hey, hey! What's up? What are you shaking? You're shaking your head at me? Come on, pump it up, twin! It's pretty bad when Booth shakes his head at you because your wheelies are trash. It's hard to pop wheelies when you have hair in your face. I'm not used to it, man. Hey, what kind of product do you use?
Pantene Pro V.
Pantene Pro V, shout out! Look at the kid's face. She went from happy to very sad when I waved at her. That's so funny. She went from happy to like, nuh-uh. She don't like you, Booth. She don't like the way you look. One Mama Grom Squad. Hold it down. We'll miss you, James. See you soon, bud. I'm sorry.
You're making me look bad.
He said I'm making you look bad. Never happened. We'll never look bad. Oh, Amber's a cow. No, cow. Fucking clown.
You gotta be
Go away. Let's sit on your lap, clown. I might have to think about clowns. I don't feel comfortable with them. Oh! Andy's doing wheelies! Fucking clown. Alright, here we go. I got it. Nope. Look at this sight, guys. Downtown Tampa. Wheelies. A chicken. What more do you want, YouTube? What more do you want from us? Uh-oh. Good job. Fucking Honda Grom Squad. James, where you at, buddy? You gotta get your dad in check. He's out of control. Happy Halloween, guys. Booth, where you at?
here, bro.
Come on, man. He took a picture and you weren't here.
Hey, you're trash, dog. Get back up. Hey, what are we doing?
All right, let's do this.
1, 2, 3.
Ah! There's one too many clowns on this ride. Scary motherfuckers. We're hitting every light. Na 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 na. Where's the chicken? Na 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 na. Chicken head. Thank you, Lewis. Where you at, Team Snap? Ah, what up? Get on the bicycle, kicking it back. There they are. Got the 12 o'clock boys on their Huppies, their Diamondbacks. Clowns. I can't get over the clowns. Oh, look at that. Damn. That's a thing. Booth, me and you, bud. Me and you. There we go. We gotta line them up, man. Make them look hot.
Watch out.
Uh-oh.
Excuse me, not watch out.
Yeah. Hey, she didn't know I didn't have no hair either.
I got a ball head.
Hey, hey, hey! You watch your mouth there.
Come on, Squid. It's a race bike. I don't gotta get there like you.
It's a race bike, you said. Come on in here, race parking only.
Yeah, race bike.
Hey, race squad here.
This is for racists. Racists only.
I don't think you're using that word right.
Oh, I race cars, motorcycles, trucks, whatever you want to race.
You're racing all. All right, guys, we're at Ybor. We're gonna take a break. I'm gonna show off my perm. Hopefully, everyone likes it. Oh, you don't want to walk around Ybor in a chicken suit? All right, we'll pick it back up later. What's happening here?
I don't know what's happening.
See what happens when you get the old team together? Jesus.
Oh, I can do that.
No, you can't. That was weak as shit.
Yeah. Wheels up for Jesus.
Here, bud. I threw a pig at him. Great little guy. Where'd it go?
Where is it?
Oh, it's in his ribs.
Oh,
Come here, little guy. Oh, poor little babe. That's awesome. I threw him while he's doing a burnout. It got sucked in. Do it again. That was fucking awesome. Do it again. Oh, how'd I get that the first time? It's in the intake now. Where is it?
It's back there. It's all the way by the chain.
Rest in peace, mini pig. Oh shit, that was such a good idea in theory.
There you go. It's all the way in the back. It's coming out.
Hey, just do a bigger burnout.
I see one.
Yeah, we gotta go, bye. Holy shit.
Oh, it looks so good.
Aww. Really? Poor pig. Sorry, PETA. Poor pig. Looks like you're gonna demonetize.
What?
Go! Go! I was gonna end this video. Nice. Ow. See if Lewis can catch it. Yes. Alright guys, we're out of here. Post a comment down below and one of you guys is gonna get picked randomly. I'm gonna send you this guy for free. Comment down below. Let me know what we should name our pig.